Hello everyone. So in last two videos, we talked about the graphs of basic functions, and we studied a lot of things about the graphs of basic functions, like y is equal to x, y is equal to x square, y is equal to x cube, fx or y is equal to modulus x, y is equal to under root x, and some interesting plottings of exponential functions. We also discussed so many things about these graphs, like continuity of these graphs, differentiability, increasing and decreasing properties, and domain and range of these graphs, plotting of these graphs, and so many things. Today, in this video, this is the third part of the video of graph of basic functions. And today we will be discussing about some fundamental properties, plotting, domain range, increasing, decreasing properties, continuity, differentiability of logarithmic functions. So logarithmic functions are very, very important. So we will be discussing about logarithmic functions in this video. So let me give, please give me 1 second. So we discussed in last videos fx is equal to x, fx is equal to x square, fx is equal to x cube, fx is equal to under root x, modulus x, some exponential functions, fx is equal to a raised to the power x when a is equal to 1, a greater than 0 but less than 1, and a greater than 1. Some graphs of exponential functions we have already discussed in last video, some comparison graphs of exponential functions for different values of a, and overall comparison graph, and the graph when a is equal to e. We have already discussed in last videos. Today, logarithmic functions. So what is the fundamental formula of logarithmic function actually? Fx is equal to log x to the base a. This is the fundamental formula of log function. This x is called argument of the log function, and this a is called base of this logarithmic function. An important thing is that this base must be greater than 0. I repeat, fx is equal to log x to the base a. X is called argument of this function and a is called base of this function, where a is greater than 0. For different cases of a, we will discuss different graphs of logarithmic functions. When a greater than 1, for example, we are taking for this case a is equal to 2, right? So fx will be log x to the base 2. It means if you want to find out the value of x from here, we will obtain x is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी लगाई है इसमें? इसमें हमने ये वाली प्रॉपर्टी लगाई है. आई जस्ट नोट डाउन if, oh sorry, just a second. If log x to the base a is y, then if log x to the base a is equal to y, then x will be x is equal to a raised to the power. तो ये प्रॉपर्टी हमने यहाँ लगा दी है. If fx is equal to log x to the base 2, then x will be 2 raised to the power fx. ये प्रॉपर्टी हमने क्यों लगाई? ताकि हमें पॉइंट्स ऑब्टेन करने में आसानी हो जाए. We can get the points for drawing the graph easily. For example, if we put x is equal to 1, okay, before taking this table, let me tell you some important properties of logarithmic function, some important standard results of logarithmic function I would like to tell you. Number one, log 1 to the base anything is always 0. This is very important. Log 1 to the base a to the base anything is always 0. Number 2, log infinity, sorry, log 0 log 0 to the base anything, मतलब बेस कुछ भी हो उसका वैल्यू होता है माइनस इन्फिनिटी. So log 1 to the base anything is always 0 and log 0 to the base anything is always minus infinity. And this is third property. If log x to the base a is equal to y, then x is equal to a raised to the power y. Now by taking all this information, we can get different values of this function log x to the base 2, log x to the base 2 for different values of x. देखिए, put x is equal to 1, log 1 to the base 2. So log 1 is directly 0. So at x is equal to 1, the function will be 0. Put x is equal to 2. It will be log 2 to the base 2. We can write here by this formula, or by this formula, we can write the value of 2. 2 will be 2 raised to the power f of 2 because base is 2 here. So 2 will be 2 raised to the power f of 2. Now this 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power 1. If we compare this term and this term, we obtain f of 2 is equal to 1. So f of 2 will be 1. मतलब x is equal to 1 पर फंक्शन का वैल्यू 0 होगा, x is equal to 2 पर फंक्शन का वैल्यू 1 होगा. x is equal to 2 पर फंक्शन का वैल्यू 1 डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग दिस प्रॉपर्टी. मैं आपको एक प्रॉपर्टी बताता हूँ. एक और प्रॉपर्टी है log a to the base a is always 1. मतलब ये है कि log का आर्ग्यूमेंट और बेस सेम हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो. log 2 to the base 2, log 3 to the base 3, log 1 by 4 to the base 1 by 4, log e to the base e. If the argument and base of any logarithmic function are same, then the value of that function will be directly 1. So these three properties are very, very important, including this. तो यहाँ पे देखिए log 2 to the base 2, आप डायरेक्टली इसको 1 कर सकते हैं या फिर ऐसे इवैल्यूएट कर सकते हैं. नाउ पुट x इज इक्वल टू 4. फंक्शन में पुट कीजिए x इज इक्वल टू 4, log 4 टू द बेस 2. अब ये वाली प्रॉपर्टी आप लगा के यहां से इस 4 का वैल्यू फाइंड कर लीजिए. दिस 4 विल बी 2 रेज़ टू द पावर f ऑफ 4, राइट. अब इस 4 को आप अगर 2 की पावर्स के टर्म्स में लिखें तो क्या लिखेंगे? दिस 4 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 स्क्वायर. If you compare this first term and this third term, you will get f of 4 is equal to 2. So f of 4 is equal to 2. Similarly, if we put x is equal to 1 by 2, the function will be log 1 by 2 to the base 2. And by applying this property, this 1 by 2 will be equal to 2 raised to the power f of 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power f of 1 by 2. Now this 1 by 2 can be written in the form of 2 raised to the power, which is 2 raised to the power minus 1. If you compare this first term and third term, we will obtain the value of f of 1 by 2, which is minus 1. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 1 by 4, we can find the value of f of 1 by 4, which is minus 2. So overall, for this function log x to the base 2, we obtain these certain values. At x is equal to 1, the function is 0. At x is equal to 2, the function is 1. At x is equal to 4, the function is 2. At x is equal to 1 by 2, the function is minus 1. At x is equal to 1 by 4, the function is minus 2. If we plot this graph by taking these points, this is the table interpretation. If we draw this graph, we will obtain this curve. This is the graph of log x to the base 2. Now, there are certain properties in this graph we can see very easily. Number one, at x is equal to 1, you can check it, the function is 0. और वैसे भी log 1 का value 0 होता है. So always this point is 1, 0. At x is equal to 1, the value of logarithmic function is 0. Number two, for the base value of 2, the function is increasing throughout. You can see the function is throughout increasing. Right? Number 3, there is no break in this function, so logarithmic function is always continuous. Logarithmic function to the base anything is always continuous. Number 4, there is no sharp point in this function at any point of x, so logarithmic function is always differentiable throughout the domain. Logarithmic function is differentiable throughout the domain. Next, you can see very easily, we are putting only positive values of x here. We are not putting negative values of x. Even we are not putting x is equal to 0 as well. So the domain will be, what will be the domain? The domain will be all the positive real numbers excluding 0. All the positive real numbers excluding 0, because we are not putting the value of x negative and the value of x is 0, because the function is not defined at x is equal to 0 and at x is equal to negative. So the domain is positive real numbers excluding 0, because we are not including 0. Next, we are getting, for positive real numbers of x, we are getting the values of y positive and the values of y negative. And even the value of y is 0 as well. Right? So we are getting each and every value of y. So the range will be all the real numbers, that is minus infinity to प्लस infinity. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे y का वैल्यू हमें नेगेटिव भी मिल रहा है, y का वैल्यू हमें पॉजिटिव भी मिल रहा है और y का वैल्यू हमें 0 भी मिल रहा है. So the value of the function will be minus infinity to infinity or range will be minus infinity to infinity. Now, what is the effect of varying a? We can see by looking at sketches of a few graphs of similar functions. For the special case where a is equal to e, we often write ln x instead of log x. This is very important line. Log x जो होता है to the base a, वो a जो है वो greater than 0 होता है. a का वैल्यू अगर specifically e हो जाए, e is 2.71 something. If a is specifically e, then that log x is called ln x. That log x is called ln x. अगर किसी log का बेस मेंशन नहीं है तो उसका बेस बाय डिफॉल्ट e होता है. तो जिस log का बेस e होता है उसे ln x बोला जाता है या log x बोला जाता है, और जिस log का बेस e के अलावा कुछ भी होता है उसका बेस मेंशन होता है. e के अलावा किसी भी बेस का log होगा तो उसका बेस मेंशन होगा, लेकिन अगर किसी log का बेस मेंशन नहीं है तो डेफिनेटली उसका बेस e होगा. तो कई बार आप देखते हैं कि ऐसे लिखा हुआ आता है ln x, कोई बेस मेंशन नहीं है, या फिर कई बार ऐसे लिखा हुआ आता है log x, कोई बेस मेंशन नहीं है. इसका मतलब यह है कि इस log का जो बेस है वो e log x to the base, इसका मतलब ये है. Now this is the comparison graph while we are varying the values of a. A is greater than 1 year. For a is equal to 2, the graph will be like this. For a is equal to 5, the graph will be like this. And for a is equal to e, the graph will be like this. For a greater than 1, this is the comparison graph of logarithmic functions. You can see very easily that all the logarithmic functions for any value of a greater than 1 are increasing throughout, are continuous throughout, are differentiable throughout, right? And for a greater than 1, these all functions are increasing. And the most important point, the domain and range are same as well for all logarithmic functions for a greater than 1. a greater than 1 में आप कुछ भी लीजिए, a का वैल्यू 2 लीजिए, e लीजिए या 5 लीजिए, हमेशा डोमेन और रेंज सेम आएगा. Domain will be from 0 to infinity excluding 0 and range will be minus infinity to infinity. And you can see very easily by these graphs we can compare by increasing the values of a which is base. अगर हम x का a का वैल्यू इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे तो हम देख रहे हैं जो स्लोप होगा उस स्लोप का वैल्यू कम होता चला जाएगा, बढ़ता चला जाएगा, right? So this is the comparison graph for different values of the base a which is greater than 1. Now the second case we are taking when a lies between 0 to 1. When a lies between 0 to 1, for example, a is 1 by 2. So function will be log x to the base 1 by 2. That is, x is equal to 1 by 2 raised to the power fx. Now we can find certain points for drawing any graph. At x is equal to 1, log 1 to the base 1 by 2. Log 1 is directly 0 to the base anything, so it's 0. If you put x is equal to 2, log 2 to the base 1 by 2, we can write 2 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to the power f of 2. Yes, 2 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to the power f of 2 by that property. Now this 2 can be written in the terms of 1 by 2 raised to the power. So this 2 can be written as 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 1. If we compare first term and third term, we will obtain f of 2 is equal to minus 1. So at x is equal to 2, the function will be minus 1. Similarly, if we put x is equal to 4, then log 4 to the base 1 by 2, that is 4 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to the power f of 4, right? इस 4 को हमने लिख दिया 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 2. Now compare this term and this term. We will obtain f of 4 is equal to minus 2. F of 4 is equal to minus 2. Right? So in a similar manner, if we put x is equal to 1 by 2, we will be having f of 1 by 2 is 1. If we put x is equal to 1 by 4, we will be having f of 1 by 4 is 2. So we can make this table as well. For x is equal to 1 by 4, the function will be 2. For x is equal to half, the function will be 1. For x is equal to 1, the function will be 0. For x is equal to 2, the function will be minus 1. For x is equal to 4, the function will be minus 1. आप इस टेबल से भी देख सकते हैं, we are not taking the values of x negative and 0. Since all the logarithmic functions has domain 0 to infinity, excluding 0. And the range, we can see very easily, we are getting each and every real number, whether it is 0, whether it is positive, whether it is negative. So the domain, so the range of all the logarithmic functions will be minus infinity to infinity. Now let's draw this graph. This graph will be like this. Now you can see very easily that the graph is decreasing. However, it is continuous, it is differentiable, but the graph is decreasing. So we can see if we put a greater than 0 but less than 1, the logarithmic function graph is decreasing. If we put a greater than 1, then the logarithmic function graph is increasing. This is the only basic difference when a greater than 1 and when a greater than 0 but less than 1. Other properties will be common. Yes, this is the comparison graph for different values of a lies between 0 to 1. For a is 1 by 2, the graph will be like this. For a is 1 by e, the graph will be like this. For a is 1 by 5, the graph will be like this. So you can see very easily all the properties are same, but the functions are decreasing. For a greater than 1, all the functions are increasing, and for a greater than 0 but less than 1, all the functions are decreasing. This is the overall comparison graph when a greater than 1 and when a lies between 0 to 1. And you can compare all the things. All the properties will be same. The domain, range, increasing, decrease, continuity, differentiability, all are same. But the only difference is that for a greater than 1, all the logarithmic functions are increasing. And for a greater than 0 but less than 1, all the logarithmic functions are decreasing. Increasing and decreasing. So this is it. This is the logarithmic function we have discussed, right? So overall conclusion, I want to tell you that for logarithmic function log x to the base a, number one, there are some certain common properties. All logarithmic functions are continuous throughout. Number two, all logarithmic functions are differentiable throughout. Number three, the domain of all logarithmic functions are 0 to infinity excluding 0. The range of all logarithmic functions are common, minus infinity to infinity. But the basic and the one and only one difference is that for a greater than 1, a is base here. For a greater than 1, all the logarithmic functions will be increasing. And for a greater than 0 but less than 1, all the logarithmic functions will be decreasing. So this is it. And this is the end of the graph of basic functions lectures. Thank you. Thank you very much, all of you.